The best money farm fish vary depending on the environment and strategy used, but there are several options that consistently yield high returns for those looking to maximize profits. In the context of both real-world aquaculture and virtual games, certain fish, they stand out for their high market value and ease of farming. For real-world farming, tilapia is one of the top choices. It's a hardy fish that grows quickly and requires relatively low maintenance, making it ideal for both small scale and commercial farms. Tilapia are high in demand and their fast growth cycle allows quicker turnover, increasing profitability. Another good option for money farming is salmon. While salmon farming may require a larger initial investment in terms of equipment and infrastructure, it has the potential for higher returns. Salmon are sought after globally, making them a valuable commodity for farmers who can manage the production efficiently. In virtual farming games, money farming often involves selecting fast-growing, high-selling fish such as bass, trout, or even exotic species depending on the game's economy. These fish typically require less time to harvest and can be sold for significant amounts, providing a steady stream of income, in-game currency, steady stream of in-game currency. So ultimately, the best money farm fish are those that balance quick growth, low maintenance, and high market demand, whether in real life or virtual environments.